students, today we are reviewing the book of mathematics prescribed for 12th class by NCERT, and here we are reviewing this book in statistical way, like how many questions are present in this book. Like you can see, you will find that in relation and functions, including examples, exercise and miscellaneous exercise, you will find 125 questions in chapter 1, and if we go to second chapter, inverse trigonometric functions, you will find 13 example, 35 questions in all exercises and 17 questions in miscellaneous exercises, which will be 65 as total. And in third chapter, you will find 105 questions, including 28 examples, 62 exercise questions and 15 miscellaneous exercise questions. Chapter number 4, determinants, consists of 121 questions, and in chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability, which is the first chapter of your calculus and the large part of this book, and you will find 192 questions, including examples, exercise questions and miscellaneous exercise. Chapter number 3, application of derivative. In this chapter, you will find 177 questions total, including MCQs and short answer type questions. And the seventh chapter, which is present in your second part, integral, and you will find the maximum questions 319 total. And you know it, integral is a very precious part of this book. And in chapter 8, application of integral, you will find 53 questions, including 14 example, 20 exercise questions and 19 miscellaneous exercise questions. In this you will find the questions mostly in a repetitive way. Chapter number 9, which is the last chapter of calculus, that is differential equations, and in this chapter you will find 141 questions, including examples and exercise questions. And here we start with the chapter vector, chapter number 10, in which you will find very short answer type questions, including fill in the blanks type also. 115 questions is there. And in chapter 11, 3-dimensional geometry, you will find 89 questions as a whole, which is very important topic. And in chapter linear programming problems, you will find 40 questions of all the 3 types of problems. And in the last chapter probability, you will get 137 questions in probability. And as a whole, if you can see the last figure of your first as well as second part, you will find 1679 questions in your book. 1679 questions in your book. And if I review the book as an examination point of view, I can find that in 1679 questions, 335 questions approximately, which are deleted last year. Somewhat questions are deleted last year, and remaining questions are not of the part which is important for examination point of view. You may say that they are true, false, or very short or very basic questions, which are generally not asked in papers. So here you will, if we conclude the review of this book, you will find the figure 1344 questions in your book, which you have to practice for a whole year. And this is the statistical review of your 12th class mathematical book of NCERT. Thank you.